Hey guys, welcome back. It's your boy Keys, guys. So I'm live on Kucoin, guys. I'm going to be showing you guys basic ways which you can earn cool income even in this bear market. Now on Kucoin, the coolest feature or one of the coolest features available is the fact that they do provide rate coupon codes for users, and this gives you an opportunity to earn increased interest rate whenever you subscribe to any of the Kucoin earn product that are available. Now you can see the likes of Luna, USDD. We have from stable coin as well as non-stable coins. We have BNB, which is also available, so you can decide to stake your assets, available for flexible staking, and also if you want to lock these assets for a long period of time, you can also do that. Now this is very good for users who want to earn in the bear market as well as during the bull market. You also want to consider this. Now also, if you're a long-term holder, this will also be very favorable to you. Now the cool thing is that the Kucoin rate coupon code gives you the additional interest rate. As of recording, you can see we're currently subscribed to USDT, Theta, which is stable coin. We're currently earning about 12.14% APY, and you can see the APY differs. We have you can see APY 0 to 100 USDT, you get about 12%. Now this is very cool, and this is a flexible investment. We can decide to unsubscribe or to remove our asset whenever we decide to we want to. So that is one cool feature that that's one of the basic and subscription that we usually do prefer. Now for the assets, you can see we're currently we've set about less than $60, and you can see the total profit we've gotten so far, which is kind of cool. We've gotten that a profit on a regular basis. That's what you'll be getting on a regular basis. So we just started this I think of recent, about 2 days back. So we're currently earning cool funds. Now you can check the bonus center to see your list of bonuses that are available to you. Now for the Kucoin rates coupon code, all you need to do if you have a rates coupon code is to enter or to go over to the Kucoin N and impute your rates coupon code. So I'm just going to put in random numbers. I'm going to, so you can see the prompt. So once you put in these Kucoin coupon, it's going to say okay, it says here failed the coupon, try again. This is because the coupon code we entered is not correct. Now what happens automatically is that if it was a correct coupon code, it will be automatically it will show successful, and whichever asset that you choose to subscribe to, the coupon code will increase it. So let's say you got a rate coupon code for about 10%, so meaning that let's say you want to subscribe to USDD worth about 30.28% initially, because you've now gotten additional 10%, it's going to increase it by that amount you've gotten. So that is how it basically works. Now I'm going to go over to Twitter. I just searched up for Kucoin rate coupon code. Now I'm going to complete it here. Rate coupon code, I'm going to search it up so you can see. Okay, there's no search result for that, so I'm going to click on Kucoin rate coupons. Now these rate coupons are usually made available for users on Kucoin's Kucoin social media handles, as well as you can also check your bonus center. Now my bonus center, it says you can check if you have any claim bonuses to increase your income. You can also check if you have any coupons, available coupons which are being sent to your account. Now for users who want to know the clear definition, it says rate coupons are exclusive bonus on Kucoin. Use the coupon to increase the interest of subscribed end product. So this will give you, and most times this rate coupon code could be for a limited period of time, so you want to look out for the particular ones that you're currently using. Now here it says this user Jules Jobin, July 7th, he said finally received rate coupons for USDD and TRX. So these are a list of people that have these are feedbacks from people that have currently benefiting from this. So this user will be able to use this rate coupon code if they subscribe to USDD, which is about 30.8% as of when we saw it here. You can see USDD is going for 30.28%. Now the user got about 50%. Okay, and TRX, now it's time to stake these tokens Kucoin to earn more income. Thanks for this, 100% for USDD and 50% for TRX. So you'll be getting 100%, or this user is getting 100% for USDD, and as well as 50% plus for TRX, which is a very good deal. So this is very cool. I'm going to check out to see people's comments. I said nice, just waiting for mine. Okay, So these are just feedbacks from people who are currently using it, so you want to look out for this. As of recording, you want to follow up Kucoin's social media handles, so you get access to whenever they want to do promotions, activities, or you participate in their events. Now, as of recording, Kucoin is currently trending, so I'm going to show you before we go to the deep. I'm going to show you, okay, this is as regards the insolvency report that we've gotten, that came up, or a feud that came up on social media, that's currently trending on social media. So you want to be aware of this. Now, it says that the Kucoin exchange CEO denies rumors that it is insolvent. Now guys, for one fact, you want to know that Kucoin, when they initially launched, or for users who are not aware of Kucoin or not familiar with Kucoin is currently ranked at number top to 1 to 5 in the crypto space in the world. It currently fluctuates. As of recording, is currently at number 6. Binance US is currently at number 5 here, but it currently fluctuates around 1 to 5, or 1 to 5 within these angles from CoinMarketCap data. Now you can see Kucoin has a exchange score of about 7.4. Volume being traded is very high. You can see the average liquidity market, and coins being listed here are way more higher than the coins being listed. That's why it's being recommended as the it's being referred to as the people's exchange, because it's the number one exchange or altcoin exchange where most tokens are usually listed on, and this gives them an opportunity to earn cool income. Now you can see there are about 294 exchanges in the world, so exchanges being around the top 1, top 10 in the world shows how credible they are. So you can see Kucoin is currently at number 6 here, but most times it's currently at number 1 to 5, so you can check our previous videos to see how far it is. On CoinGecko, they're currently at number 7 here. Exchange score, trust score is currently at 10. That's it. So the way the rankings have been done, I can't really tell here, but what you need to know is that for the trust score, is currently very high, and you can see 24-hour volume being traded very high, coins being listed very high. So you want to compare between these two figures to know how it is. So basically Kucoin ranks about 1 to 10 in the crypto space, which gives them a very high score. Now, as compared to CoinMarketCap, on CoinGecko we have about 490 something tokens, crypto exchanges. So it shows you that there's even an higher number of crypto exchanges available on CoinGecko as compared to CoinMarketCap. So it shows you that for you to be in the top 5, top 10, it shows how credible you are, or the potentials you have in your in the exchange. Now also, you also want to take note of the fact that Kucoin just raised, or in their H1 review, you can see Kucoin raised this is a chart of how they've been moving forward and potentials. So this is just for users who want to know about Kucoin. So they're currently being regarded as a people's exchange. They've done some lots of cool features, and they just did seed raising. So they just did seed raising, series B fundraising, where they got about $150 million, as well as an additional $10 million, and this is leaving them with a total valuation of about $10 billion as a company or as a crypto exchange, so which is a very good factor. Now you can see Kucoin CEO, or Kucoin, on social media is very active. Now you can see there are lots of I'm going to read these. It says some guy tweeted about Kucoin being insolvent. This is from Blood God. So Blood God has about 236k followers, so it shows you how legit they are. So I'm just going to follow them. So I'm currently following most of the crypto gurus out there, so you can be getting, you want to make sure your circle is crypto based, so you get lots of information. So he said he did some tests, withdrew over 1.5 million from the Kucoin to Kraken, and all funds came with no delay. Also did research, and all accusations are false. So now transfer all that money to Kucoin to buy potential 20x altcoins again. Now the cool thing about Kucoin is the fact that it gives you opportunity to get lots of benefits. So aside the fact that it has a very large database for these tokens, you also want to benefit from this rate coupon code. Now this is an example of what the rate coupon code should be. So the expiry date of the rate coupon code will be shown to you, as well as the duration period, then the rate cap, how much you can be able to spend on it, as well as the amount you'll be getting. So you're getting 60% in this scenario and more. So guys, I do hope you enjoy this tutorial. Don't forget to join up on Kucoin and enjoy Kucoin. We're currently earning income. You can also see we're also earning passive income by holding KCS, guys. So for KCS that we're currently holding, we are earning about 0.013, just let's say about $1 $2 on a daily basis from holding these tokens. So you want to hold it and check our previous videos, guys. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. It's your boy Akahilz. Stay safe, peace out, and see you in our future upload, guys. It's your boy Akahilz.